Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can trim videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Now, to trim a video, firstly, of course, you need to import the video that you want into your media folder, and then once you've imported it, you need to drag it and drop it into the timeline. You can also hit the green plus, do whatever you want, and now that you're here, you have the video in your timeline, you can start editing that video. Now, to trim it from beginning and the end, all you have to do pretty much is just drag and drop the sliders at the beginning and the end of the video in the editing track, and that's pretty much all you need to do. You can drag it to whatever length you want, and you can just drag it out again if you want to include other parts, or if you drag it like this, you'll see this sort of trash can. You can just click delete the gap, but that will delete the entire beginning of the video, which we do not want. But yeah, that is how you trim it from beginning and end. Excuse the buffering, it is a bit slow, but it is what it is. Another thing that you can do is you can also slice up the video yourself by dragging this sort of pointer to whatever you want, and then either hitting the scissors icon or pressing S. This is the split function, and it'll split it into different parts of the video. Now you could just delete this part, and that's pretty much as if you trimmed the video from the beginning, or you can cut it from the middle and choose 2 points and then cut out the middle one and just connect the remaining 2, and that's pretty much how you cut out pieces of the video. And that's pretty much all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.